Hello, welcome back. On this video, we're going to be looking to how to add a new email to your Outlook account. So to do that, you want to go to File, and you're going to see an option here that says Add Account. Now, depending to who you have your email set up with, this option can vary, but most of the time, you'll be using Office 365 email. So if you type in the email, it's going to automatically move to the next page. And here you type in your password. This window is asking if you want to sign in this email to all your apps or to this application only. And because we just want the email to link to Outlook, we can click no, sign in to this app only. It's going to give it a quick load. Press done. If this happens, you have two options. One option is to close it. Second option is to use the task manager to force it to close it, or call your IT support. So once you have added, you have to reinitialize Outlook. So you're gonna close, and you want to open Outlook again. And once you open, you should see your new email. It's now linked to Outlook. And as you can see, I have here Save at the Train Initiative is now linked to my Outlook account. So to remove an account from Outlook, you want to go to File, and you're going to go to Account Settings. Over here, you're going to click Account Settings, and it's going to reveal all the accounts that you have linked with your Outlook. So to remove one, you select it, the account you wish to remove, click Remove, and yes, simple as that. Once that's removed, the account is no longer part of your Outlook.